Hey there guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and you know what? I am absolutely over the moon with what I've just had delivered. So, box.co.uk have kindly sent over 2 brand new TVs to test out, and when you see them, you are going to be blown away. Now, the reason for this video is I need your help to decide which one to unbox first. So, well, let's just get underway. I'm going to show you what those 2 TVs are. So, first up then, we have this, the 65-inch LG G2 OLED. Loads of you guys have been saying that you want me to test out this TV, and the good thing is we have the 65-inch G1 already, so I can do loads of side-by-side testing. Any suggestions for videos with this, then please let me know. So yeah, give me your thoughts on that TV. But it gets even better. This is now the TV that you've all been asking for, the Samsung S95B, which is Samsung's OLED TV. Another 65-inch one, and boy, is that going to be good testing out with the G2. Yeah, which one do you want me to unbox first, the G2 or the S95B? My God, I am so excited. I literally cannot wait to get them out of the box. But again, give me ideas for videos. Don't forget we've got the PlayStation 5, the Xbox Series X, can test them all out. But it gets even better than that, because generally Box will send me TVs over to just test out, and unfortunately then they have to go back after a couple of weeks. But not this time. Both of those TVs are mine to keep forever. I can do what I want with them, which is great news for you. It means I can do long-term testing, so going forward, I can, I'm getting out of breath for here, I'm so excited. I can do all the testing when it comes to software updates and all that sort of stuff, and just comparing them, how they sort of progress when it comes to maybe any burn-in or things like that further down the line. It's really going to be some good times when it comes to content for the channel. So yeah, good news for you, because like I said, I can do whatever you want. Please give me suggestions on any videos with these 2 TVs. And I've got to say it again, massive thanks to box.co.uk for sending over both of the TVs. They're roughly priced the same as well, so you ain't got to worry about me being biased towards one or the other or anything like that. At the end of the day, they're both mine. I can do or say exactly what I want with them. There's no reason for me to be biased towards one or the other. I'm not paid off or sponsored by either of the manufacturers, never have been, so yeah, you'll be safe in the knowledge. Whichever one of these 2 TVs I prefer, it's going to be, you know, a genuine, honest review. So there you go then guys, let me know in the comments section which TV do you want to see me unbox first and why, and what sort of tests do you want to see me do with both of these TVs. Thanks very much for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, otherwise you are going to be missing out. And don't forget, hit the bell icon, because then you get notified of my latest uploads. Not enough people do that, and you're generally just missing out on some great content. So anyway, yeah, thanks very much for joining me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.